Hi Rutu, how are you?
Hi Julie, I'm great. How are you?
I'm very well. Welcome to Enterprising Youngsters, Rutu.
Thank you for having me.
So, Rutu is a filmmaker. Rutu, do you want to tell our viewers about yourself?
Sure. My name is Rutu. I graduated 2 years ago from MIT Institute of Design, which is in Pune. I am a filmmaker by profession, and I like to make films that are women centric. I like to tell stories that empower women and talk about the stories that we don't see in the mainstream media.
That is fantastic. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm raising voices for women from around the world. That's the reason I felt that you are a perfect fit for this interview. So, Rutu, do you want to tell our viewers about what is Season XV Films and how did you start it? What do you do?
So, right after I finished my college, I was like, I need to start working. And I was working in the mainstream industry. I was making ad films.
Okay.
But somewhere along the line, I felt that maybe this is not exactly what I want to do with my talent or the things or the skills that I have obtained. I should use them to give voices to the people who need those voices. If I have the power to tell stories, I must tell stories of people who need to have their stories heard. So I left that industry and now I'm a freelancer now, and I self finance my projects, and I make documentaries or I make short videos which are women centric. I also make fiction, but that's also always a woman's story from a female gaze.
So, do you want to tell our viewers how did you come up with Season XV Film, that name?
So about that, it's not a lot of thought has gone into the name itself. My name is Rutu, and that translates to season. So Season XV is just a very literal translation of my name.
That's all some meaning to it. I know it. That's fantastic. So, Rutu, do you want to talk about which project are you working on currently?
So currently, I will tell you about another project that I did earlier this year, where I was in this very small village called Bap, which is in western Rajasthan.
Okay.
And so I was working with an NGO. So I made a documentary sort of a thing, which was also an ad to raise funds for women who are in that village. Now that village does not have electricity, it has water problems, all of that. So we were making videos so that we can send it to people and we can raise funds. So when I went there and I met all these women who were doing amazing job, I felt like this is what I need to do. And it's insane to live in this country where there is so much there's so much financial gap between the people. And to bridge that, I have decided to write a story of my own where I can, so it's a fictional story, but it talks about this. It talks about the disparity that exists in our country. So I'm currently working on that. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Once I finish it, I'm excited to start its production.
Yeah, good luck with that. So, do you want to tell our viewers about any recent challenges you faced?
In terms of challenges, my biggest, I wouldn't call it a challenge really, but the problem with the industry in itself, the entire industry, is that one, there aren't a lot of women centric stories which are being told, and even if they are being told, they are made from a male gaze. So there isn't a female perspective that I see in this industry, and while we are getting there, I think we have a long way to go. So hopefully things will change, and I hope I can play a part in shifting perspectives.
I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will. So, Rutu, do you want to tell our viewers where do you see yourself in another 5 years?
Hopefully I will have a show of my own. Let's see, it is a difficult way to get there, but I really hope I do. and I hope I collaborate with fellow female filmmakers and fellow female who want to tell such stories.
Right.
And I hope we bring in a bigger shift in the industry.
So Rutu, tell our viewers that how do you keep yourself motivated through this process? I know that, we are anyway going through difficult times due to pandemic, and then over and above that, you want to create your own brand and you have your own work pressure. So how do you manage?
I think the only thing that drives me and has driven me since a very young age is that I have always just wanted to tell stories. So even when I decided to get into the field, even when I decided that I want to become a filmmaker, the only goal or the motive was to be able to tell stories to people, because I think that is what connects all of us.
Yes.
And that's how we become more empathetic towards the world and towards everybody else. So I think that is what motivates me every day, and to talk to people, to hear their stories, that's what keeps me going as well.
Fantastic. So Ritu, thank you so much for taking out time and giving us this interview. If you're viewing this channel for the first time, we have wonderful girls like Ritu on this platform on a regular basis. So do subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again, Ritu.
Thank you so much for having me. This was amazing.